Welcome to Samoa.
Okay guys, I feel so sick. I'm feeling really sick right now. I don't know, I don't usually get car sick, but I feel car sick. I usually get both sick, which is like shocking that I feel car sick right now. Sis, loco kele. Awe ke bye bye. Nah, do you miss your husband? I feel sick now. It's like my belly. It's making me in my head. Mixture. Oh, belly.
Let's go.
Do you have a toilet?
Tima, do you have a toilet?
Sorry, ska jag med på toilet? Kanske jag med på toilet? The house one.
Tima, is it just you? Oh, where's Joe and that?
You're sleeping, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright fam, we're gonna use their toilet. We know, I can't explain it. She's right here.
Leah,
sleep. Girl, you was going up on the vlog. This girl was sleeping.
Hi, it's me, Cyrus, and I have my family here, and this is my house.
Got him!
There's someone in the toilet.
She's sleeping in a kaingamu. Okay, let me go. Oh, sorry. Okay, fam, so we were driving in past Sapoe and we noticed that one of the guys that are from Melbourne was sitting in a shop. So we were like, oh, we'll stop and say hi and so I can use their toilet. But this is their shop. Guys, this is their shop. How cute.
Sa umoe, sinamalolonga, awoy, lene vevela, etuma upea, ilola ngona, uafiu for the ete, I live on the TASA, I do my best.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome to Samoa. Okay, family, so we're here at Sosua right now. This was a really requested spot that you wanted us to come and visit. Although we've been here 500 times, we can never get sick of Sosua, so we had to come here for you, family. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. We love you, TNS family, and don't forget, if you are new to this channel, honey, what should they do?
Go down and click the subscribe button.
Okay, TNS family, we're gonna get into this vlog and switch over to our GoPro. Let's go.
Benjamin, let's go. Soul of Victor, let's go. Break!
Ua ofia maua, sa umoe, sinamalolonga, awoy,
Samoa.
lene vevela, etuma upea, ilola ngona, uafiu for the ete, I live on the TASA, I do my best, find my etele, ese singa, diama wasema venga.
You know who it is. Ua e loki mai po I wha maro si mai po I au pepa I whakata ona let me go I da love you let me go. Ka whiki mai po I never vela ke mai I ngona ka mela ore a kuri fo I ngai mu mela e a makana one man show. Oi e asha you go girl oi e asha a fung yang angelo kino pe o CCD ka le liwa o mga sungu ka wo so mai lo kingo le peba a bebela kilo hangi maya se sabi ni famali ni ai le bebela hangi maya se sabi ni famali ni ai le bebela o se I fa asha fucking ngai for a roto asha se I fa asha feel style break.
Ua ofia maua, sa umoe, sinamalolonga, awoy, lene vevela, etuma upea, ilola ngona, feel for the view. I live on the TISA. I do my best. Find my tele. Singer. The ama was ever
Olha a lava de Mauro Celular. Eu estava no meio da bomba. Sei. Eu levo o saque que eu vai quando eu vou no boinho. Sabe que ele marcou uma mão. Que eu fui ai marcou aí. Wole kwa la in mamongo. What's the name of Molly the text? It's hot. It's hot.
Solo, la familia Lena Paolo. Besame y la fisiología Elena Sila. If I prefer, nangalo tu oya ita. Samoa, ole penina, ole vesa pacifica. Wow, solo, la familia Lena Paolo. Besame y la fisiología Elena Sila. If I prefer, nangalo tu oya ita. Samoa, ole penina, ole vesa pacifica. Angi mai sebatani, sebamoli atuai. Love, I love fire, Samoa, Matalasi. Angi mai sebatani, sebamoli atuai.
Okay family, we've come to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed beautiful Tosua. We had so much fun there and I hope that the footage was enough for you guys. Also, we just wanted to let you know that we have a little surprise, so you need to wait till the next vlog. But we're excited for you to see what is next and what's coming up. But family, like Tux and I always say,
don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Tofa.
So for
Choo!